In this video, I'm hanging out with Jack from Delta Leisure Services. This video has funny moments, tricky problems, and you'll see how we find the solutions with a clear head and a big smile. Because, you've got to love what you do. And we definitely do. And yes, I know you already have hundreds of questions regarding your RVs. So please, leave them in the comments because we reply to every single comment all the time. And now, let's go.
Hello everyone, and today I'm in Jack's workshop, and today we're gonna do a lot of work, a lot of jobs. There are gonna be a random stuff today. We are fully booked. Start we're gonna with this little caravan. It's just a resealing, some bits only. White caravan, white cloth. As better we prepare this, as better the ceiling gonna stick in there. So cleaning and prepare with the surface to make a great job. No cutting the corners, no mediocrity. We're gonna use a trade seal. It's a PU 40FC, which is not so bad.
Why are you wearing a bandana?
Because I love red color. There's a Swirl base you're gonna install today, right?
Yes.
And it's cost a lot of money.
Yes.
Yes. And it's very heavy.
Yes.
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 What the hell? How many kilos is that?
20, 30? 25?
Passenger seat will swirl around.
So it allows you to keep your double seat in the front of your van, so you can have the extra traveling space, but then when you pitch up, you do what you want to do, then you can unhook it, swivel it around, do that motion, because you have to slide it and move it around.
It's nice that we're gonna have like a big lounge inside.
Yeah, because they've got a rock and roll bed as well. So like you say, it gives them a big lounge. They've got 2 double seats. Just opens the space up, makes it more usable.
Really nice accessory to have, guys. Really nice accessory.
To be fair, it's the second one we're doing this week as well.
Oh, so it's popular.
Yeah.
Need to say that sealing is very important because, again, a lot of technicians, engineers, even in workshops, they don't put enough attention to the sealing, but actually sealing what keeps your caravan or motorhome dry after that. So it's not enough just to do a good job. It's also you need to concentrate on the idea that the same problem not gonna happen again. And if we talk about the dump or any kind of water ingress, that's where sealing must hit the point just to protect your leisure vehicle in the future. The type of silicone was used on that rail, it's absolutely wrong. So wherever the person who did this resealing or top sealing, this is not the type of silicone, I would say sealant you use. This one is a kind of bathroom silicone, which is absolutely not good for resealing the rails. As you see, I can take it away with the fingers, which is not right. So first of all, the surface was not prepared. And the second thing is, it's the wrong stuff. This is a really good proof and example of what I just said. There is a water and there is a green stuff is growing under the ceiling, which you think it should protect, but it's not. so the water ingress under, which is not right, absolutely not right. So we're gonna go for breakfast, but Jack said he's not going with me if I'm not gonna take off my red bandana. So what's wrong with my red bandana?
What's right with your red bandana?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, what's wrong? Okay, only because I'm hungry.
Good lad.
Only because I'm hungry.
Good.
His phone doesn't stop, absolutely, even for a minute. Even now when we went for the, I don't know, breakfast, lunch, brunch, wherever, his phone just simply does not stop.
Do you want to do on a campervan or on a motorhome?
Both.
Both.
We're going to move the camper, motorhome over there. We'll get the caravan out. That'll go down the side next to the other two cars.
It's impossible to work with him. Guess why? Yes, because his phone is ringing all the time. He said he's not gonna go with me if I wear my bandana, but now I'm allowed to put it back. I don't know why, but he doesn't like the red color.
Oh, what, outside?
Yeah. I said it attracts the attention. Bandana is back. Here we are. So there are problems with the water pump and sockets. It's all gonna be run from there. So the main area, what we're gonna investigate, somewhere probably behind that box. I guess something was definitely wrong with the connection, with the wiring, and the step. So we're gonna have a look on the step. First, where's the step? Step. Would you mind to assist me? Okay, and step on it gently, please. Okay, here we are.
Is it floor?
It is the floor, it is the whole timber in there. So, yeah, not good. Okay, so there is a timber going on. His whole timber is moving with the part of the floor. Have a look. What do you think? Ready?
Yeah.
What you reckon? Dump?
Yeah.
Floor dump repair. Good?
Yeah.
Good old dump repair, yeah?
Yes.
Alright, so we're not gonna use this step for the time being. Okay, of course. Of course, it's gonna be kilometers of the wires hiked in there. And again, look at this, look at this, look at this. Oh my goodness, look at that. Oh my goodness, really? Okay, I'll try to do close-up footage on my phone. I'm gonna show you all this crime, what's going on in there. So, look at this. All the wires are naked, and it's red, it's alive. But the worst thing is, look at this, spade, extra terminals, and they just naked. So, I'll take a tool and I'll show you. Let's do this. So if you see this terminal to the focus. This one is a light, this one is a negative. If this one touch that one, it's gonna shut out straight away. And also amounts of insulation tape and the general idea how they are linked together. It's a botch, guys. It's a botch. And yeah, everything to be rewired, everything to be done safe way. So. Oh boy, he gonna kill me. I asked him for the file. Have no idea how it's happened, but let's see. It looks like it's done. And so let's test everything again. So yes, we got a voltage in there. Lights are working, this is working, water level and the pump. Yeah, pump is working too. Whew, that's a challenging job. Please do not let anyone inside your wiring, actually the people who have no bloody idea what they're doing. I don't know how it's happened, but I snapped it. I'm sorry, I'll owe you a new one. So this one, jobs were done. Jack said he's gonna quote a step separately, so because there is a lot of dump repair involved, but electrics is done, so customer should be happy. Everything is nice and spot. We cleaned the van, we hoovered everything inside. We took all the small bits, all the tools, everything, so we leave it in a nice, perfect condition. Sometimes even better and more clean than it comes here. Right, Jack? Yeah? Very beautiful, very clean, very nice, very high standards. Isn't it? Yes. Yes.
Yeah, no, don't go like that, bro.
Why not?
Why do I want a hole in my bed?
Just because it's easier for me to do it like this, straight to... No? Whatever you. This is the main problem, isn't it? They all... In this case, you need to order a new battery, leisure battery, low profile leisure battery. Otherwise, the terminals might touch the seat. I think it's time for me to start wearing gloves. Do you have gloves? Yeah, you do have gloves.